welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Jujubee BFF in the whimsical print, and it's going to be a quick unboxing, quick first impressions, and I will be showing you how I pack this bag for my daughter. These bags do cost $195, but the only reason that I finally got my dream diaper bag is because I got it with a Black Friday sale discount. So I did not pay $195 for this. I paid $75, which is still expensive. However, I have bought a diaper bag in the past from Bye Bye Baby for around $60 or $65, and it was too bulky, and it was like not designer. It was kind of like, I don't want to use the word like garbage, but it wasn't great. I don't have that diaper bag anymore, but yeah, so it was just like way too heavy even when it was empty. And so I saw this on sale, and I said it's either now or never. I was actually surprised at the way they shipped it. It came in just like a bag. I thought it was some clothes that I had ordered from Kohl's, and my UPS man, he just like slammed the package against the door, and I was like, I don't think that that's my diaper bag. And then I go grab the package, and it says it's a Jujubee. So I was like, oh my god. But I could have sworn that I thought that people get their packages in boxes, unless that's just when they're sponsored videos. I don't know. I think for a bag that costs like $195, I would expect better packaging, you know, because I don't know. I just like, I've ordered lipsticks before, and they come in boxes with pretty tissue paper and like confetti spilling out. So it's just interesting that a very expensive diaper bag wouldn't come nicely packaged, I guess. I don't know. Maybe that's weird to assume, but I don't know. So as you can see, the straps, they're wrapped up with paper and tape, and you would have to obviously attach it yourself. And the back straps as well, they are not connected, but you would just do it. And let me tell you that this hardware, I mean, the bag's like kind of heavy with it. I mean, it's not like terrible heavy, but it's like, you could tell it's not a cheap bag. And it's really cute. It's like it's definitely rose gold. It comes out more in person than it does on camera, but it's like really well made. Machine washable. This is actually attached with a, you know, whatever these things are called. So, but the changing pad does feel nice and soft. Whoops, came right out. I like it so far. And these are the claims. I don't know if there's like a glare. So yeah. This is a closer look at the inside of the changing pad. You can see there is a slight print on the inside. You can't really see with the bright lights, but there is definitely like a decorative swirl. So in case you were interested what the inside looked like. So this tag on the side, it basically just says that the bag is machine washable and has a lot of pockets and has metal hardware, but that's pretty much, you know, visible, so not really too important. I just wanted to quickly show you that from a side perspective, the bag is a triangle shape, which a few people do not like, but it's actually doesn't even affect the inside of the bag at all. The inside, as you can see, has plenty of room, lots of pockets, and a secret little compartment on the inner side. And a quick comparison with my hand to the back pocket, just to show you that it has plenty of room in the back for whatever you want to put back there. I did want to show you that the metal hardware does have a plastic protective lining on it that you do have to remove yourself, but that's really good from a packaging standpoint. That way it's not scratched before you unbox. Another cool feature that I really wanted to mention is that all the metal hardware does swivel on all of the straps, which is really convenient. That way when you do grab the bag, you don't have to worry that the straps are tangled or facing the wrong way, so that's pretty cool. I did want to quickly show you that I do have a Jujube fuel cell bag, and it's not in a matching print. However, I do want to show you what the bag looks like if you were to place this bag inside the diaper bag. If you push it all the way to the side, you would have some room left for diapers and wipes, but just wanted to give you a visual in case you were curious. Okay, so now that I showed you the bag, I went ahead and filled it the exact same way that I would fill it if I was going to the doctor's office, because basically since we're not really going anywhere because of everything going on right now and things being shut down, that's pretty much where we would only be going, would be like the pediatrician or like the doctor or some other kind of doctor. So to some, the way I have this bag packed might be a little excessive maybe, but my daughter has always like required extra things, and since she does get car sick, I do need to take like at least 2 sets of clothes, and I will show you as I like open it, but that's just a little quick explanation. So just to let you guys know, the side pocket does have plenty of room for this. This is the biggest size of the Munchkin 360. This is the big one, and it fits perfectly in there. Obviously, something the same size would obviously fit on this side. So if I wanted a water bottle, I could definitely do that. And I'm recording on my phone right now, but I did try it in this pocket that everybody seems to put their phones in, and it does fit. It barely fits, but all you have to do is when you put it in there, this little part right here, just flip it on top and it will shut close, so it works. I forget what kind of phone I have, so if I can figure that out, I will put it somewhere right here so you can see. That way if you have the same phone, you'll know that it will fit in here. So let me show you what I have in this front pocket. I think some people refer to this pocket as the mommy pocket. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, basically I have hand sanitizer, a mask. I love this mask. And this. Wet ones, antibacterial hand wipes, because, you know. Oh, and then right here, my daughter likes playing with these, and also you never know when you're gonna get like a paper cut. That's happened to us a couple times at the doctor's office. They give you forms, and my husband, he grabbed the paperwork, and as soon as he grabbed it, he cut his finger, and there was like blood everywhere, and I was like, oh my god, you're getting blood all over the paperwork. So yeah. And obviously, I guess you could put your keys, I mean, whatever. Sunglasses, I don't have any on me right now, but there's definitely room for that. Okay, so moving on to like the main pocket of the whole bag. There's still plenty of room. Like if you really wanted to jam something on top of here, you definitely could. This is just, I just packed it the way that I would naturally pack it, nothing extra or whatever. And I do know that with these bags, a lot of people like to use little bags. I forget what they're called. They're like, I want to say they are also like Jujube bags. It's like the Be Quicks or whatever. I don't know the lingo. I just know about the actual bag, but I feel like that's actually kind of tedious for me. So if you ever see me showing like a what's in my diaper bag, kind of like right now, you're never really gonna see me adding like lots of little bags. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't need to have labeled bags and color coordination and all that. No offense to anyone that does that. If you do, that's great. So basically I carry a little notebook when I go to the doctor, because any notes that I have in between visits or any questions, I will write them in here. And then when I see her doctor, I ask her, because if not, I will forget. And yeah, and any tips she has, I write them down in there. So a snack cup with Cheerios, because you got to have that, right? And then you already saw I had water, so that's what I have. And then Aquaphor. My daughter is 3, yet she is not potty trained though, so that's okay. All in its own time. I know a lot of people start early, but she's taking her time, guys. So yeah, let me just stick down there. It was Aquaphor, and I do carry a like big towel. This is like a bath towel, and the reason for this is because my daughter does get car sick, and I usually take like a big, huge like bucket of water. That's my daughter. And I have to hose her down because it's like it gets really messy in the car, and you know, I just like wash her down. And that's why I also have like, I always take like little washcloths and this. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video on that hopefully soon. So anyways, an extra pair of socks and 2 sets of clothes, which would be like 2 shirts. It's winter, so they're long sleeve shirts, and so 2 shirts, 2 pairs of pants. My daughter just threw that sock at me. On the side, she can use real stuff, but I just thought I'd throw this in there because you never know, like just a spoon. And then here I just have clippers. Like right now, I don't know if you saw her hand, she could definitely use a trim, and then like a little comb and a hair tie, just because, you know, you need it if you have a kid with long hair. So right here on the side, it fits perfectly. These are just pull-up diapers, a 3T, 4T. So they're big. So that just goes to show you, if you did have a newborn, they're definitely gonna fit in there if these diapers can fit. And whenever I do put Aquaphor or Desitin, I do like using this. It's a baby bum brush. So this is just so that you don't have to use like your fingers to apply the cream. You could just put it on here, put it on there, and it's like more sanitary, I feel. And then, what's in here? Oh, one of those baggies. And then obviously wipes. This is obviously used to clean for diaper changes, hands and face, you know, when they're eating. So, oh, and right here, I just put these here because they're flat and like it's not going to be in the way, and it's not something that I would probably really reach for that often, but obviously as a mom, you know, you need something for yourself in there. And I am still breastfeeding, even though my daughter is 3 years old, so you never know when you're going to need an extra one. So yes, and I don't have anything back here, basically because I don't really, this is basically all I would really take. Basically it, you could probably put something in here. I think somebody once before mentioned these were for pictures. I don't really think I'd want to stare at any pictures though when I'm like digging through my bag. I mean, I'm not a sentimental person like that, I guess. I don't know. I just don't see the point in that. But some people shove like Kleenex in here, or you could probably shove like this bag in there, you know, whatever. Or like hair ties, probably. I don't know. You could be creative. I just got the bag now, so. So I did want to say that this bag seems very well made. You know, it doesn't seem cheap at all in the material. And I really like that they said that it's machine washable. Would I recommend this bag? Obviously, I've never taken it out yet. I just got it. But, I mean, I definitely would. However, the price is obviously pretty steep in my opinion, which is why I waited for like a really, really huge sale like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I forget which one it was. But, yeah. So, would I pay $195 for it? I don't know. I'd get back to you on that. But like I said, 75, I can swing that. I mean, sure, whatever. But yeah, it's really well made. Obviously, there's more prints than this one. I believe this one was the Whimsical print. I'll double check and put it right here on the screen. And yeah, I don't know if they're still doing the sale. It's worth a shot if you're watching this right now. Go ahead to their website, I guess, and check. It'd be awesome if you can get it on sale as well. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love for you to join my channel. Thank you and goodbye.